Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. Welcome to Ayur Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. In the last videos, we have seen the 5th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. Today we will be continuing the rest. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev, Assistant Professor, Department of Samhita and Siddhanta. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. Let's move to the video. In the last videos, we have seen about Toya Varga. Today we will be moving with Kshira Varga. Kshira Varga consists of the properties of milk and its milk products. Mainly 8 types of Kshira has been mentioned. They are Gokshira, Mahisha Kshira, Aja Kshira, Ushtra Kshira, Manusha Kshira, Avi Kshira, Hasti Kshira and Ekashafa Kshira. Other than these, the properties of the milk which is being not boiled and if excessively boiled, and the Dharoshna Paya, which is the milk which is being drawn from the udder, has also been mentioned. In this Kshira Varga, the milk products such as Dadi, Takra, Mastu, Navanida, Ghrita, Kilata, Piyusha, Kurchika, Morana has also been explained. So moving with the properties of Kshira or milk, अथ क्षीरवर्गः स्वादुपाकरसं स्निग्धमोजस्यं धातुवर्धनं वादपित्तहरं वृष्यं श्लेष्मलं गुरुशीतलं प्रायः पयः. अथ क्षीरवर्गः स्वादुपाकरसं स्निग्धम् ओजस्यं धातुवर्धनं वादपित्तहरं वृष्यं श्लेष्मलं गुरुशीतलं प्रायः पयः. अथ क्षीरवर्गः स्वादुपाकरसं स्निग्धम् ओजस्यं धातुवर्धनं वादपित्तहरं वृष्यं श्लेष्मलं गुरुशीतलं प्रायः पयः. In general, the properties of Kshira or milk is being explained. That is Swadupaka rasa, that is milk or the Kshira is having Swadu or Madhura rasa and Vipaka. Snigdha, it is having anxious or oily property. Ojasya, it increases the Ojo dhatu. Dhadu Vardhanam, it helps in nourishing and increasing the dhadu. Vada Pitta Hara, that is, it helps in reducing the Vata and Pitta dosha which is aggravated. Vrishya, Shleshmala, it increases the Kapha dosha. It is Guru, that is heavy to digest, and it is Shitala, that is, it is having cool in nature. Moving with the Ashtakshiras, first Gokshira. The properties of Gokshira are Atra Gavyam tu Jivaniyam Rasayanam Kshadakshina Hidam Medhyam Balyam Stanyakaram Saram Shrama Brahma Mada Alakshmi Shvasakasa Aditrid Kshutaha Jirnajwaram Mutrakrachram Raktapittam cha Nashayet. Atra Gavyam tu Jivaniyam Rasayanam Kshadakshina Hidam Medhyam Balyam Stanyakaram Saram Shrama Brahma Mada Alakshmi Shvasakasa adi trid kshutaha jirnajwaram mutrakrishram raktapittam cha nashayet. Atra gavyam tu jivaniyam rasayanam kshadakshina hidam medhyam balyam stanyakaram saram shrama brahma mada alakshmi shvasakasa adi trid kshutaha jirnajwaram mutrakrishram raktapittam cha nashayet. The Gokshira or the milk of cow can be given, or the properties are Jivaniya, that is, it promotes long life. It is Rasayana, that is anti-aging or rejuvenating. Kshadakshina Hita, that is, it is good for those people who had a chest injury. Medhya, it increases the intellect or intelligence. Balya, it helps in improving the strength. Stanyakara, it promotes or help in producing the breast milk. Sara, that is for easy bowel movements. And this Gokshira is indicated in conditions such as Shrama, that is exhaustion, Brahma, dizziness, Mada, toxicity, Alakshmi, inauspiciousness, Shvasa, dyspnea or breathing difficulty, Kasa, cough, Adi, Trid, Kshutha, in conditions where severe thirst and hunger are present, Jirnajwara, that is chronic fever, Mutrakrishra, dysuria or painful micturition, and Raktapitta, bleeding disorders. Next, Mahisha Kshira. Hidamatyakni anidrebhyo gariyo mahisham himam. Hitam ati akni anidrebhyo gariyaha mahisham himam. Hitam atyakni anidrebhyo gariyaha mahisham himam. The Mahisha Kshira or buffalo milk is good for the persons who are having Atyakni, that is increased Akni or digestive power, and Anidra, who are having insomnia or sleeping disturbances. And this Mahisha Kshira is having the properties such as Gariya, that is excessive heavy property or Guru property, and it is Himam or Shita in nature. Ajakshira. Alpambupana Vyayama Katutikta Ashaner Lakhu Ajam Shosha Jwara Shwasa Rakta Pitta Adisarajit. Alpa Ambupana Vyayama Katutikta Ashanehi Lakhu Ajam Shosha Jwara Shwasa Rakta Pitta Adisarajit. Alpa Ambupana Vyayama Katutikta Ashaner Lakhu Ajam Shosha Jwara Shwasa Rakta Pitta Adisarajit. Ajakshira, that is God, drinks less water and does a lot of walking or does vyayama, and it takes katu and tikta rasa dravyas which are laghu or easy to digest. So this particular ajakshira can be indicated in persons such as having shosha, that is emaciation, having jwara or fever, shwasa breathing difficulty, raktapitta bleeding disorders, and atisara diarrhea. Ushtakshira. Ishad Rukshosna Lavanam Austragam Deepanam Lakhu Shastam Vadakapanaha Krimishofa Udara Arshasam. Ishad Ruksha Ushna Lavana Austragam Deepanam Lakhu Shastam Vadakapha Anaha Krimi Shofa Udara Arshasam. Ishad Ruksha Ushna Lavanam Austragam Deepanam Lakhu Shastam Vadakapha Anaha Krimi Shofa Udara Arshasam. Ushtakshira or the milk of camel is indicated, or the properties are Ishad Ruksha, that is it is slightly dry, Ushna, that is hot or in Vipaka, Lavana, having a salty taste, Deepana, it increases the digestion, and Lakhu, easy to digest. It is indicated in conditions like Vata Kaphan Shastam, that is the conditions of Vata and Kaphaja disorders, Anaha in blotting of abdomen, Krimi, worm infestation, Shofa, inflammation, Udara, ascites, and Arsha, hemorrhoids. Manusha Kshira. Manusham Vada Pitta Asrak Abhikada Akshirogajit Tarpana Ashodanir Nasyehi. Manusham Vada Pitta Asrak Abhikada Akshirogajit Tarpana Ashodanehi Nasyehi. Manusham Vada Pitta Asrak Abhikada Akshirogajit Tarpana Ashodanehi Nasyehi. The Manusha Kshira or human milk is having the properties, that is Vada Pitta Asrak Roga. It can be given to the conditions of diseases of Vada, Pitta and Rakta, and in conditions of Abhikada, that is injuries, in Akshiroga, that is eye infections, and it is mainly used for Tarpana, Aschodana and Nasya. Tarpana and Aschodana are the treatment procedures which are especially done for the eyes. Tarpana refers to the administration of Ghrita or Snehadravyas in the eyes, and Aschodana refers to application of eye drops in the eyes, and Nasya refers to the nasal administration of medicines. Avikshira. Ahridyam tu ushnam avikam vadavyadiharam hitmashvasa pitta kaphapratam. Ahridyam tu ushnam avikam Vadavyadi haram hitma shwasa pitta kaphapratam. Ahridyam tu ushnam avikam Vadavyadi haram hitma shwasa pitta kaphapratam. Avikshira or the milk of sheep is considered as ahridya, that is not good for the heart. It is ushna, that is ushna vipaka. Vadavyadi hara, it helps in reducing the vadavyadi or the diseases which are produced by the vadadosha. Hitma shwasa pradam, but it increases or it produces the disease conditions such as hikka or hitma and shwasa. And pitta kapha pradam, it also increases the pitta and kapha dosha. Hastikshira. Hastinyaha sthairyakrit. Hastinyaha sthairyakrit. Hastikshira or the milk of elephant is considered as sthairyakrit, that is it helps in improving the strength. Ekashafa Kshira. Bhathamushnam tu ekashafam lakhu shakhavadaharam samla lavanam jatatakaram. बाढम् उष्णं तु एकशफं लघु शाखावातहरं स अम्ललवणजठताकरम् बाढम् उष्णं तु एकशफं लघु शाखावातहरं स अम्ललवणजठताकरम्. That is the milk of ekashafa or the one-hoofed animals like donkey, horse, etc. These are considered as Badham Ushnam, that is very hot in nature, or Ushnavirya. Lakhu, that is light to digest. Shakha Vadaharam, that is useful in Vada disorders or Vadavyatis. Samla Lavana, the milk is having Amla and Lavana rasas, and Jatatakara, that is it causes the lassitude or laziness. पयो अभिष्यन्ति गुर्वामं युक्त्या श्रुतमदो अन्यथा भवेद्गिरियो अतिश्रुतं धारोष्णम् अमृतोपमम्. पयो अभिष्यन्ति गुरु आमं युक्त्या श्रुतम् अतः अन्यथा भवेद्गरीयः अतिश्रुतं धारोष्णम् अमृतोपमम्. पयः अभिष्यन्ति गुरु आमं युक्त्या श्रुत अतः अन्यथा भवेद्गरीयः अतिश्रुतं धारोष्णम् अमृतोपमम्. The properties of the milk which are not boiled is told as amapaya, which is having abhishyanti, that is causes excessive secretion in the body, and it is guru, heavy to digest. And the opposite properties are seen in the milk which is properly boiled, that is shridapaya. And if it is excessively boiled, atishruddha, then it is having the property that is gariya, that is excessively guru. Adishruddhapaya means it refers to the condensed milk. The dharoshna is considered as amrudopama. The dharoshna refers to the milk which is being drawn from the udder of the animals. This is considered as amrudopama, that is having very much nutritious property. Today we have seen a few shlokas of Kshiravarga from Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana 5th chapter. We will be continuing the rest of the shlokas in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.